Robin Hood is a paragon, the man behind the hood. So if Robin Hood was made an outlaw, he was out in the forest with something like this. The Real Robin Hood, Wednesday at 8 on HR.
Professionals need to perform under pressure. And pressure can cause anyone's deodorant to fail. Introducing Gillette Odor Shield Antiperspirant, unlike regular.
Hi, babies. Hi, baby. Ooh, ooh. Hi, who is that? Is that Samantha? Is that Samantha? Huh? Is that Zachary? Morning, Zachary. Is that Ethan? Ethan? Ooh. Hi, Ethan. Good morning. Morning, Ethan. How about Zachary? Where's Zachary? Morning, Zach. Samantha. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Oops. I know that's Zachary. Or is that Samantha? I think you both moved together. Oh, yeah, someone's poking. Hi, Zach. Oop. Morning, Zach. Hi, hi, hi. Hi. Oop. Hi, Samantha. Good morning, babies. Hi. Hi. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Oops. Hi there. Hi there, babies. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh. Can't see from here. Oop. Hi. Hi. You like the video, huh? I'm going to shift. Okay, there you go. Hi, babies. Good morning. Huh? Are you stretching out, babies? Yeah. Hi. Oop, oop. You are moving a lot. Hi. Oop. Hi there. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Oops. There's still a bump there. Is that Samantha? Huh? Oop. Nope. Who's that? Is that Ethan? Hi, Ethan. Zachary. Ooh, he's right there. Ooh. Hi, babies. Hi. Oop. Hi. Ooh. Hi, babies. Oh, I can't wait to let you see this video when you're out of mommy's womb. But don't go out just yet, okay? Just stay in mommy's womb for a little while. Just a little while. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. Let's see from this angle. Daddy's sleeping in the couch. Well, it's not exactly a couch. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, there you go. Hi, babies. Hi. Show some moves. Yeah, it's already 7:40 in the morning. Babies are very active. Let's see over the side. Hi, babies. Morning. Let's see from this side. Hi. Hi. Alright, I think you did your stretches in the morning already. Alright. I love you. Mommy, Daddy loves you. Mwah. 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 Good job, kids. Good job, babies.